Like also.
T-Mike Bitcoin.
Oh, there's your phone. That is crazy, by the way. You will lose this.
I don't have pockets, Arthur.
Okay, it will be my pocket then.
Thank you.
It's good enough. So, did he break that or?
Yeah, he put his mouth in it and he just ripped it off.
Oh.
Yep. That's not it. Amazing.
Okay.
One last thing to get. MisterArther.
I think what I'm gonna do then is I'm gonna actually screw it instead of just.
Well, we're gonna fix this once Chowder's out of the yard. So
Yeah, it's probably also the best idea.
We only have 3 more days.
Okay. Oh, which is another thing. Trash bins is like, it's not a necessity for like trash bins like this. We could get literally already for today, which makes life easier. But
You could get what?
trash bins.
We could. You mean for the house, or you just mean one of those big ones?
In general, like we can already use them now. So it's like throwing things out is like easier instead of like always undangling the thing in the bob. Also,
I don't know what you're trying to say.
1 second. I'm grabbing my phone because I'm looking at the pictures.
The store is very big.
There we go. Spirit 2.
We thought about an electric fence. I know it sounds harsh, but if they don't want to stop ripping it apart, there might be a solution. So I actually looked at a website called Invisible Fence, and unfortunately it's like a few $1,000s to install, and it's just not in my budget right now.
Okay.
Like, it's not in my immediate budget right now. But
There we go.
yeah, it's called Invisible Fence. So, sniffle count 41. Thank you. Sniffkins. You guys should have heard me last night. I was fighting for my life.
There you go.
Oh, look at these cute little tiny boxes. That's a little too small.
Yeah, but this is like, what would you even use this for? Like even for cables, this is like,
Yeah, no, it's overkill.
what's the point?
Yeah.
But
But it is cute.
very adorable. But here we have, what brand did you use again?
Holy.
We can keep this
It's
here.
so not this yellow one. I have a few yellow ones though.
It wasn't HDX, it was something else.
I don't think it's here actually. Doesn't matter.
Well, they are.
No, it's none of these.
Really?
Yep.
Bro.
Arthur's lunchbox. Hyper
So-
tough.
We also
Hyper
have
tough.
like different options in terms of like having wheels.
I do like the wheels.
Oh, you actually do like them?
Yeah, it's nice. It makes it easier. This is what I literally have in the garage, but instead of the clear ones, they're solid black.
Which is another thing. I don't think all need wheels. We can have, for example, 2 that have wheels and 4 that don't have wheels.
Yeah, it's just mainly for like big things, but they still stack all the same, to be honest.
Yes.
I actually prefer them. I think the wheels are better, but they're more expensive.
Yeah, I think for all of them it's like overkill and not necessary.
Oh my god.
So these are the lids. Yeah, these are all HDXs. I know we have HDXs also at NYX. This is Husky, which is like, what the heck? So this is what you need. I also have like pillows and blankets.
Okay.
Literally still at NYX.
Okay. We don't need to put those in these boxes.
No. Also, in terms of storing them,
This is how
I would probably almost want to go with the wider one.
Wide load.
I think I would want to go with the wider one.
Okay. Didn't you literally say not to get clear ones? Holy, what the fuck are we gonna? What are we gonna put in that? A dead body? Like what? That's massive.
It is massive.
That's too much.
You think it's too much?
Yes. Arthur, you could literally lay down in that.
Well,
I couldn't think of anything other than like maybe condensing all of the Christmas stuff into 2. But then you have to think that it just makes each box so much
heavier. Okay. But also, the thing is with the clear ones is, the benefit with the clear ones is it's easier to see what's inside without having to look. But durability-wise, over the years, the ones that are also blacking out are better. So you kind of do want.
A chicken weigh 150 pounds.
And this one is medium.
Schmedium. I like the schmediums are nice. This is good too. I like these. We could use a few of these and then a lot of these. And then maybe a few of these.
What we can do is, because we will use them for storage, that's not just for the move, it's like in general to keep it.
Yes. So I'm actually trying to pack whatever
you
is.
still need about 1,000 nails to repair the fence.
That's true. I would almost say
4.
like the reason I'm trying to pack these in a way where it's like we don't have to unpack these after we move.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So it's like if you have Christmas stuff, it goes here and it stays here. Because it's like, what's the point of...
Like the cardboard boxes, these boxes are going to be for like stuff that we actually need to be taken out.
They're way cheaper than I thought it is. $178. You said they were like $5 each. Okay.
Well, I mean, you have to look at the fucking size, Arthur. It's a small, and I have so many small boxes. I'm looking at the big ones. $6 each.
I guess you're right. Okay, so get 4 big ones, 4 medium ones.
Okay.
And I'm thinking about the small ones, because this is my thought process.
Okay.
The big ones, this is great because it goes into the garage, makes sense.
Correct.
But the one way where I'm like, hey,
get the clear ones.
The clear ones
inside.
make sense, yes, because they're inside anyway, so not in the garage. They are not as much affected by heat.
Correct. Okay, I like that.
Okay, so 4 big ones.
Okay.
So 4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Do we like this brand, or is there something else that is like better, or depth-wise?
I think these are literally the exact same like style and shape, and they stack the same.
Oh, you would be surprised. Oh wait, I looked at it though. The measurements are on the picture. Give me 1 second. Oh my god, I have like so many. There we go.
4.
4.
When we have kids, we're gonna make our kid carry his lunch in this. Let's say, here, Jeremy, here's your peanut butter and jelly sandwich in your fruit cup.
That's
and he's
right.
gonna have to carry it just like this.
I hate the new photo app. It's so bad. Why is it showing me memories? I don't want no memories.
We should start planting our plants in this.
Oh my god.
We could be a real in-brand household, you know?
Am I tripping? Did I not take pictures of the boxes? Or
You
did you
took
take
pictures
it?
of me walking?
Yesterday, yeah. Or when we were... Did you take pictures of it or did I do it?
You just showed it to chat. You didn't take pictures of it though.
Oh my god, that's what happened.
Yeah, but I'm sure somebody put it in Discord.
Chat, can somebody put it in Discord?
Surely somebody.
I'm like, am I going crazy? Chat, I need the measurements. In my Discord, hey.
Chat, hello. Julia gonna be one of those moms making videos cooking their kids' lunches? Actually, yes. Pack my kids' lunch with me.
Because
Friday edition.
Skinson.
40G.
Patrick, thank you so much for the 16 months.
This is 27. Because they can be like 27 gallon, but they can be like wider but longer. Does that make sense?
Oh, yeah. Yep,
So we do not want that.
Yep. I mean, we could always go to Walmart.
Oh, this one is weird.
What do you mean?
But that's a 27 gallon.
It is cheaper.
How is it cheaper? Oh, there we go. W.
I am nauseous of eating a lot of M&Ms.
38. See, it's 38.2 and this is 38.1. 22, 22, 15.2, 16.4. That's what I'm saying. They're different.
So should we go to Walmart?
Fuck no.
Okay.
This is a 40 gallon. Yeah, they are different though, and that is tragedy.
Okay. How about I start picking out some boxes? How about that? You get the long-term boxes.
Yeah, they're just different.
I will get the moving boxes. How about that?
You're getting what boxes?
I'm gonna pick out some moving boxes.
Okay.
Now, what are all the difference of these? They're all heavy duty, large. Okay, see, these are the non-heavy duty boxes. I don't think I need heavy duty boxes. I need it to go basically 2 miles down the road. It's all about the taping business, right? So these are larges. Probably grab a few larges. And then a few probably mediums. Heavy duty, I don't need all that. Big duty boxes. Let me start my little stack right here so I don't go through Arthur.